gay?
Okay. Oh, bear! Bear, behind you.
Where?
Bear.
Oh, okay, let's go beat him with a stick.
No, we're gonna fucking die, dude. We just found each other. Oh, shit.
Hey, come on, there's a gas station up here. Oh,
It's
oh,
good.
ow! Ow!
Oh, it's still coming. It's still chasing. Run!
Is it chasing me?
Serpent! Backfoot on you. I don't know why, but it doesn't like you.
Is it chasing me?
Yes, dude. It's right next to me. I feel like I'm running with it.
Oh, fuck! Ow! Oh, I'm at 8% health.
All we need to do is make it inside. And we can bandage you up, if that's how this works. Wake Hills Hamlet. Sounds like a bad screenplay.
Oh! 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 It ate me!
Oh, it's after me now! Oh god. Zombie and bear fight each other. So is this the way to that dam? Fuck yeah, you guys are the best.
Done.
Yeah.
So it won't let me get out of the car.
Won't let you get out of the car?
Yeah, I'm stuck inside of a car.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? My shit's fucking up.
Bob, help me, are you there? Help. Bob, I'm stuck inside this
I missed.
car.
Are you really?
It won't let me out.
Fuck did it go?
But it has a What?
Press L.
The vehicle's locked?
Oh, okay. Gotcha. That makes sense.
Is it child locked or something?
Dude, I have no idea, man. Oh, I got out!
How'd you get out?
I don't know, I just pressed E, dude.
Turn around, there's a guy!
What?
Hello! Hello! Okay, we're coming across the bridge.
God damn it.
No, don't get in! Don't!
Oh shit, you just changed positions. What the fuck?
How do you
Wait,
change
AJ,
position?
that's not my friend. GGAA, I have no idea who that is.
What? Where'd you go?
AJ.
That only needs a battery. No! Why'd you do that?
What the fuck?
He's trying to kill me. Alright, I left.
Oh wait, look at, oh my god, holy mother of berries, dude. Look at this shit. What the fuck?
Hey, Dunt, there's another guy here. Dunt.
Oh hey buddy.
Hey buddy.
Do you want to roll with us?
Roll with us? It is.
Do you want to head to the Cranberry, the city?
Sure.
Alright, Dunt. This guy's in.
Let's fucking do this.
Oh shit. God damn, nice shot, dude. One shot.
Saved your life, bro.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
get
I
out.
just saw him fly away. Yeah, I
Whoa.
did too. Oh my god, great. We're happy.
What? What?
Somebody won't kill me.
Somebody want kill you?
Yeah.
What are you doing up there?
I like a clown building.
You're a what?
I like a clown building.
Oh!
What the hell? Got
What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Police!
Somebody got in here. No rainbow, man. No rainbow. Trust me.
Oh, fuck me! Fuck me!
These cops don't have me. Don't have me.
Po-po! Car? Police! Oh, what the fuck? Run! Oh Oh shit, what the hell? Forever 21.